क्या अभी एक प्रोफेशनल कोडर की तरह एकदम कूल बनना चाहते हैं बाय यूजिंग सीएमडी? तो अभी हम देखेंगे कि कैसे हम अपने पाइथन कोड को सीएमडी में रन कर सकते हैं। तो आई थिंक मैं यहाँ फोल्डर में आ गया और मैं न्यू में जाके टेक्स्ट फाइल बना लेता हूँ। Fine. और इसको नाम दे देते हैं मेन डॉट पी वाई। If you change the file extension, the file may unable to find. Just see. Yeah. So it made a Python file. Now I can choose either VS Code or any other code editor, but I can simply choose Notepad as well. Yes. Now this will become a code editor. For an example, I can just simply write print hello world. Right. Just press Control S. Now, how do you run this file in a CMD? So you come to this URL bar and click it here. Clean it and write CMD and hit enter. Now CMD will open in this file. You can see it is inside music file. Just hit CLS, it will clean everything. If you want to change color, you can change color by writing color 3 or color H. It will give it a list 0 for black, 1 for blue, or anything. Right? So yeah, CLS I will just write color 4. CLS, yeah. So what is the syntax? There are tons of way you can use it. So you can write first Python main file name dot py with extension. First you have to write Python and then you write file name, which is main and dot py. Now hit enter. You can see hello world here. Another way of writing, you can just simply say Python py main dot py. Py will also work here. Hit enter. So hit enter, you get hello world. Fine. Yeah. I can again go to here and write some other code. So maybe def dron def palindrome and word if word word is equal to -1 then palindrome, or we can just return true. Else false. And w equal to str input, enter the word. Fine. And let's print palindrome w. Fine. And I have pressed Control S. I have saved it. Now let's go to CMD and again main dot py. Let's see what's happening. Enter a word. Maybe MALAYALAM, which is true. So that's how you run a Python code in CMD. Okay. So now you can use this and be more cooler. Fine. See you.